I can't believe I shortened a 13 minutes video into a 2 minutes video. Well, come along with me on an inspection. Now, this is actually a virtual inspection because the client wasn't around that day. So I had to do a virtual inspection, make very detailed videos. If you noticed, this particular video started from the main road because I had to make a very detailed video so that it would be like he was present. Meanwhile, he wasn't. Does that make sense? I would say this is one of my favorite developing estates in Abuja. Now I said developing, right? So that means it's still fully under construction. Like if you notice in the video, some parts are being developed, some are not even developed yet by those persons who bought it. And this particular estate is just along the airport road, very close to the airport. Now that is what we call strategic location. Now I am sure that you are noticing the different prototypes in this particular estate. In case you did not know, prototypes are usually based on the land sizes. So if it's a 500 square meter plot of land in that estate, the prototype would be different from the 400 square meter plot of land or from the 200 square meter plot of land. Usually, the bigger the plot size, the bigger the property on it. So for instance, if it's a 500 square meter plot of land, the prototype could be a 4-bedroom or 5-bedroom fully detached duplex. Now this is me touring the 3-bedroom terrace duplex which my client was interested in, and I was doing a very detailed and thorough video. Now let's do the tour together. So this was me entering through the back door because construction was fully ongoing and they were working in the parlor. So this is the walkway to the back and I really love it, honestly. This is the kitchen. As you can see, a lot of work hasn't been done yet, and this is the guest room. Now I was already upstairs and I was heading downstairs already. I had already toured that out of camera and I was heading downstairs already, and this is the parlor. Like I said, work was fully ongoing, and the kitchen, and I was heading back outside. So I eventually toured other terrace duplexes, and of course they were all very similar, very similar. That's just one thing about estates. What you get in house A, you can also see something similar in house B. And I was just, talking to the camera, and I think this particular person was saying thank you for 500 subscribers on YouTube. So this was me just making a video in the estate. And yeah, in fact, there are some houses available for sale, some terrace duplexes available for sale. If you're interested, hit me up. Thank you and bye.